Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from Binance to Payoneer. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So to do that, first thing first, you need to convert the cryptocurrency to fiat on Binance itself. Go ahead, access your Binance and then get logged in. Then navigate to the trade section, go ahead section and select P2P. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to convert and select sell. Find a buyer who is willing to purchase and then get the money transferred to your bank. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and make sure to choose the same bank or compatible bank with your Payoneer account. And you're going to give the information to your buyer, that information. Complete the transaction, receive the fiat currency in your Binance account. Then you're going to go to the Payoneer itself. Go ahead, access your Payoneer account, a Payoneer website or Payoneer app itself, get signed in, and then afterwards you're going to go to the option of add funds or make a withdrawal. Select the option and then go ahead select the method to send the fiat currency from Binance to Payoneer. Right, once you have done that, you're going to go ahead, follow the instructions, add the amount, check all of it, and then confirm the transaction. And that's it. That's how your transaction will be done and you're good to go. And that is it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.